So, hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So, for today's video, and as usual, nandito na naman ako sa loob ng tent. I'm inside the tent. And, naglagay kami ng ganyan. And, nilagay namin yan kasi maliwanag sa gabi. Kahit ngayon, maliwanag din. And, ayun, gugulo na naman yung mga gamit namin. So, messy. So, very messy. Yan, ano bang natin yung ganap natin. So, for today's video, ayan, ito yung gawin. It's Monday today. It's ano bang araw ngayon? Monday and March 9, diba? 2:30 and afternoon. So, wala tayong masyadong ginagawa kasi tulog pa rin naman ang mga bata. Tulog. Yan, mataas naman yung foam, so hindi naman siya directly nakahiga sa sahig. Ayan, safe naman siya. And, ayun, kahapon nga nakabili kami ng electric fan. Ayan, you see the gas? Yan, it's from the donation. Again and again. Lahat po nakakita niyo ditong gamit ay galing po. It's from all to the donations, and syempre nagpapasalamat po ako and my family to all the donations that you given to us, and it's a super big help lalong-lalo ngayon na ayan, yun nga, malaki-laki yung kailangan magastos para sa amin bubuin bahay. There's a lot of money you need to save, and all your help is so very big help for us. And shout out to all the people who gave us in kind, in financial, and thank you so much. And even if I don't know you, yan, kayo po yung nagbibigay. And thank you so much guys. Yun naman ang update, and we're here at the fourth floor right now. And thank you so much everyone. That's my a little bit chica. Good vibes. Erase the negative vibes. Erase, and just live life, and thank God for all the blessings of everyday life. Thank you so much. Bye everyone, and shout out to all my LTC family. Maraming salamat. Bye. Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye.